Most Volkswagen key fobs use a CR2032 battery. To begin, locate the seam on your key fob, usually along the edge. Use a small flathead screwdriver or a key fob tool to gently pry the two halves apart. Avoid excessive force to prevent cracking the plastic casing. Once open, you'll see the battery compartment. Note if there is a retainer clip holding the battery in place. Be sure to consult your vehicle's manual for specifics, as slight variations exist by model year and region. Pre-2018 models may have a rubber gasket. Remove the old CR232 battery from the key fob, noting the correct orientation with positive side up. Insert the new battery, ensuring it's placed correctly with positive side up. Reassemble the key fob case by snapping the two halves back together. Test the functionality by pressing the lock and unlock buttons. If it doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation. Lithium batteries are hazardous waste. Dispose of the old battery responsibly. If issues persist, consult a VW dealer.